Alright guys, I'm gonna use my big rock today. My Arrma Big Rock. Only for a little bit though, this is gonna be a short video. Maybe just a few just running it. Maybe just for a little bit I'm running. Not too much guys. Not too much. Just a little bit of, oh, there's a puddle in there. I don't like that. Jeez Louise! Alright, everything seems fine. That's never good. I never liked it when the... Alrighty. That's just never... How's your day been, guys? How has your day been? Mine's been pretty good. I took this to the park. I stayed home from school because I had a bit of a cold. A bit of a cold, just a bit. I wasn't feeling, I don't know about cold, but I just wasn't feeling, I was feeling pretty bad. I noticed a big problem with this car is that it keeps cogging, like a lot. Mama, I'm choosing you. Oh no. Jeez. I was gonna film at the park, but I didn't. There's just so many people there, and I have social anxiety. Not social anxiety, but just I'm not filming that. I'm not filming with a bunch of people there. This is the Arrma Big Rock. 50 miles an hour. Yes! It landed on its wheels. Hey, that's cool. Alrighty. That might not have been the smartest idea, guys. Come on. Get out of there. Okay. Jeez, man. Oh, I see a bit of a jump. Let's go, man. Alright. Just a quick bashing session. Aw, dang. Gotta run. It's a walk of shame, man. But, it's pretty cool though. I love this. I honestly like this car a lot. I love the 3S line. I haven't gotten the 4S yet though. There's a person coming. Never mind. Jeez! Alright, I'm gonna go on the road now. Maybe. Might be wrapping us up soon. Okay. See, look, it's clogged. Ow, okay, well. Like, it's clogged. Mama, I'm... It's a bit of a... Okay. Dang it. Well, that's not horrible, I guess. Just glad I didn't mess anything. One more run, guys. I'm done now. Ugh. I think I'm done, guys, but see you guys later.